What to the O-U, T to the U-B. What to the O-U, T to the U-B. YouTube, you got me kind of addicted. I tried to put my finger on it, but Charlie bit it, and I admit it. You made life better, but if you left me, greatest freak out ever. I'd probably get a little reckless, lost like David after the dentist. Gotta get back, lost my map. Miss Teen, South Carolina, where you at? And like such as you can stand up, look him in the eye, say God bless you, Mr. Panda. Yeah, and now we playing by my rules, just like Fred. I think YouTube is so cool. Yeah, he's a little over ecstatic, but even chipmunks get a little bit dramatic. So I'm a holler kids, and I'm a holler wine. There's no place like what to the O-U, T to the U-B. What to the O-U, T to the U-B. YouTube is a sickness, I got a fever. Getting hot, I hope it's hot as Justin Bieber. Getting attention from a couple of my videos, then blowing up like Diet Coke and Mentos. I could get rich, I could get spoiled, and finally score a date with Susan Boyle. Make it last till the end, a little bit of pop, a little opera, will it blend? But really, what's the rush when
all your bass are belong to us?
Huh?